We're counting down the most rare and valuable old and dirty wheat pennies ever discovered. From mysterious minting errors to incredibly scarce dates that have shocked the coin collecting world, these coins have turned lucky owners into instant winners. Before you spend another penny, make sure you watch until the end, because one of these tiny copper treasures could be sitting in your home right now, waiting to change your life forever. What if I told you that a worn-out, old, dirty, 1951 wheat penny hiding in a forgotten jar, an old toolbox, or even your pocket change could be worth hundreds, thousands, or even life-changing money? Stay with me, because today's coin has surprised collectors for decades, and some rare examples have sold for shocking amounts that most people would never believe. The story begins in 1951, during a fascinating period in American history. The United States was experiencing major economic growth after World War II. Millions of Lincoln wheat pennies were circulating through stores, banks, restaurants, and gas stations across the country. Most people spent them without a second thought. But among the millions of pennies produced that year, a few extraordinary coins slipped through the mint with rare characteristics and errors that would later turn ordinary pocket change into hidden treasure. The coin we're talking about today is the 1951 wheat penny. At first glance, it doesn't look special at all. In fact, many of the most valuable examples appear old, dirty, and heavily circulated. That's exactly why so many people overlook them. The Denver Mint produced more than 625 million pennies in 1951. That sounds like an enormous number, and it is. However, condition, errors, and rare varieties can make certain examples worth big money. Before we reveal the shocking values, let's talk about how to identify one. First, look at the date on the front of the coin. It should clearly show 1951. Directly beneath the date, you'll see a small D mint mark. That tiny letter tells you the coin was struck at the Denver Mint. On the back, you should see the classic wheat penny design with two wheat stalks surrounding the words 1 cent. Now here's where things get exciting. Most people immediately assume that if their penny looks dirty or worn, it has no value. That assumption has caused countless valuable coins to be spent, lost, or thrown away over the years. A heavily circulated 1951 wheat penny may still be worth several times its face value simply because collectors love wheat pennies. But the real money comes from finding rare conditions and unusual mint errors. And that brings us to our first shocking discovery. Many collectors search for 1951 pennies with repunched mint marks. Years ago, mint workers sometimes punched mint marks into coin dies by hand. Occasionally, the punch was applied more than once, creating a doubled or shifted appearance. If you find a genuine repunched mint mark on a 1951 wheat penny, the value can jump dramatically. Depending on condition and visibility, these coins have sold for hundreds of dollars and sometimes much more. Imagine finding that in a jar of old coins sitting in your garage. But don't stop looking yet, because the next variety is even more exciting. Some 1951 pennies display striking errors caused during the minting process. These include off-center strikes, clipped planchets, broad strikes, and die cracks. An off-center strike occurs when the blank coin isn't properly aligned when struck by the dies. The result is a bizarre-looking coin with part of the design missing. Collectors love dramatic mint errors. Depending on how severe the error is, a 1951 off-center wheat penny can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And here's something that surprises many collectors. The uglier the error looks, the more valuable it may become. That's right. What appears to be damage could actually be a highly collectible mint mistake worth serious money. Now let's talk about condition, because this is where things become truly unbelievable. Today, we're uncovering the most rare and valuable old, dirty, 1952 wheat penny ever made. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for before you accidentally spend a potential hidden treasure worth big money. Most people see an old brown penny and think it's worthless. Collectors know better, because sometimes the oldest, dirtiest, and most worn-looking coins hold the biggest surprises. The 1952 wheat penny is a perfect example. At first glance, it seems ordinary. It doesn't have the fame of the 1909 SVDB. It doesn't attract the headlines of the legendary 1943 copper penny. It doesn't get the attention of some of the million-dollar rarities. But that's exactly what makes it dangerous to overlook. In 1952, America was changing rapidly. The post-war economy was booming. Families were buying new homes, new cars, and new appliances. Millions of pennies flowed through banks, stores, gas stations, and restaurants every single day. At the Denver Mint, workers struck hundreds of millions of Lincoln wheat pennies. Most entered circulation immediately. Most became worn. Most disappeared into history. But a small number survived with remarkable characteristics that collectors are still hunting for today. And some of those coins have generated shocking prices. Before we reveal those values, let's make sure you know exactly how to identify one. Take a close look at the front of the coin. You should see Abraham Lincoln facing right. The date should read 1952. Directly below the date, you'll find a tiny D mint mark. That small letter is extremely important because it tells you the coin was struck at the Denver Mint. Now flip the coin over. You should see the famous wheat penny reverse with two wheat stalks surrounding the words 1 cent and United States of America. If your coin matches those details, congratulations. You have a genuine 1952 D wheat penny. But here's where the story becomes exciting. Not all 1952 D wheat pennies are equal. Some are worth only a small premium. Others are worth hundreds. Others are worth thousands. And a select few have shocked the collecting world with incredible values. Now pay very close attention because this next detail could mean the difference between pocket change and serious money. One of the first things collectors examine is the coin's color. Copper coins are classified into three major categories: brown, red-brown, and red. A brown coin has lost most of its original mint color. A red-brown coin retains part of its original appearance. A red coin still displays most of its original bright copper-red surfaces. Those red examples are much harder to find. Why? Because copper changes over time. Exposure to air gradually darkens the metal. Finding a 1952 D wheat penny that still looks nearly fresh from the mint after more than 70 years is incredibly difficult. And when collectors find one, competition becomes fierce. That competition can create big money. Some high-grade red examples have sold for thousands of dollars because collectors know how rare they are. But we're only getting started. Because the next discovery is even more exciting. Many collectors search for repunched mint marks. Back in the early 1950s, mint marks were often punched into working dies by hand. Sometimes the punch wasn't perfectly aligned. Sometimes it was punched more than once. The result was a repunched mint mark. Under magnification, you may notice extra outlines or doubling around the D mint mark. These varieties attract significant collector interest. Depending on condition and visibility, values can climb into the hundreds of dollars and beyond. Imagine finding that hidden treasure in a jar of old coins inherited from a family member. And now comes one of the most thrilling parts of the hunt. Mint errors. Collectors absolutely love mint errors because every one tells a story. A story of machinery, human error, and chance. An off-center strike happens when the coin blank is not properly positioned during production. Today we're uncovering the incredible story of the old, dirty, 1953 D wheat penny, a coin that most people ignore, but that collectors are willing to pay big money for when the right details appear. And trust me, what you're about to learn may send you running to check every old penny in your house. The year was 1953. America was in the middle of a booming decade. Families were moving into new neighborhoods. Television sets were appearing in living rooms across the country. Millions of pennies were passing from hand to hand every single day. At the Denver Mint, workers struck hundreds of millions of Lincoln wheat pennies. Most were spent immediately. Most became worn and forgotten. Most disappeared into drawers, piggy banks, and couch cushions. But among those millions of coins were a handful of extraordinary pieces that would eventually become some of the most sought-after treasures in the wheat penny series. And here's the strange part. Many of them looked completely ordinary. Some were dirty. Some were dark brown. Some appeared almost worthless. Yet hidden beneath that ordinary appearance was the potential for big money and, in rare cases, life-changing value. Before we reveal the shocking values, let's make sure you know exactly what to look for. Take out your wheat penny and examine the front. You should see Abraham Lincoln facing right. The date should clearly read 1953. Just below the date, you'll find a small letter D. That tiny D is incredibly important because it tells us the coin was produced at the Denver Mint. Now flip the coin over. You should see two wheat stalks surrounding the words 1 cent and United States of America. Simple enough, right? But now the real treasure hunt begins. Because not every 1953 wheat penny is created equal. Some are worth only a few cents. Others can bring hundreds. Some can bring thousands. And the finest examples have stunned collectors with astonishing auction prices. But wait until you hear what happened to one collector. Several years ago, a man inherited a small box of old coins from a relative. Most of the coins looked dirty and worn. Nothing seemed unusual. He almost sold the entire box for a tiny amount. Then he noticed a 1953 wheat penny with unusually strong detail and original color. After professional grading, that humble penny turned out to be worth dramatically more than he ever imagined. That's why knowledgeable collectors never ignore old wheat pennies. Every coin deserves a closer look. And here's where things get even more exciting. One of the most important factors affecting value is color. Copper coins are classified as brown, red-brown, or red. Brown coins have darkened significantly over time. Red-brown coins retain some original mint color. Red coins still display most of their original bright copper appearance. Finding a genuine red 1953 wheat penny after more than 70 years is extremely difficult. The finest red examples are highly prized. Collectors compete fiercely for them. And when collectors compete, prices rise. Some certified high-grade red examples have sold for several $1,000s. Think about that for a second. A penny, originally worth 1 cent, now worth thousands. That's the definition of hidden treasure. But don't stop checking your coins yet, because we're about to uncover something even more valuable. Mint errors. And collectors absolutely love them. One of the most exciting varieties involves repunched mint marks. Back in the 1950s, mint marks were punched into dies by hand. Sometimes the punch shifted between impressions. The result was a doubled or repunched appearance. Under magnification, you may notice extra lines around the D-mint mark. Collectors pay serious premiums for these varieties. Depending on condition and strength, values can range from hundreds to well over $1,000. Now imagine discovering that on a penny you've owned for years. That's exactly why coin collecting remains one of the most exciting treasure hunts in the world. But here comes another shocking twist. Some 1953 wheat pennies were struck with dramatic minting errors. Off-center strikes are among the most popular. This happens when the coin blank isn't properly aligned during production. Part of the design appears missing. The more dramatic the error, the more collectors tend to pay. A significant off-center strike can easily bring hundreds of dollars. Exceptional examples may bring much more. Then there are clipped planchet errors. These occur when the coin blank is improperly cut before striking. The result is a missing curved section along the edge. To an inexperienced eye, it may look damaged. To an error collector, it may represent big money. And that's not all. Broad strikes are another fascinating error. Without the collar holding the coin in place, the metal spreads outward during striking. The coin appears larger and unusual. Collectors actively seek these pieces. Values often range from hundreds to thousands, depending on rarity and condition. Now here's a fact that might surprise you. Some of the most valuable wheat pennies ever discovered were found in ordinary collections that had been sitting untouched for decades.